Because there's too much lies in our country. Too much lies. Too much deceit. And the most stupid part of it is that people are telling lies that does not deceive anybody. They're telling lies that are so obviously lie. Why should anybody tell a lie that is so clearly a lie? Simple lie, for example, that everything is fine in Nigeria. What kind of stupid lie is that? We should admit that things are not going well, so we can put our heads together and make it go well. You know, so and this is just one example. Politics, elections. We refuse to do elections properly. We refuse to count votes, as if we don't know how to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And after counting, we refuse to announce the right results.
Someone to represent our Reverend Sisters.
Elections simply becomes the result of manipulations in nocturnal meetings. And we want things to go well. Things will not go well. The truth is sometimes bitter. But you know, Jesus also said, the truth will make us free.
This is a country where we need to tell each other the truth more consistently and more often. We're not doing that enough. So I think we can all take a lesson from the Cardinal and from his position on truth-telling.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.